Bonjour tout le monde. Thank you so much for coming on our website. We are super excited to welcome you all. Now, how does that work with us really? There are two ways to take classes from us. Whether you can take it in group, you can also request a one-on-one slot. Now, who needs one-on-one? One-on-one slot should be taken by those who has really very less time left for their preparation, for to get maybe their work permit is expiring or there is any other dire emergency. Or you need one-on-one because you really are somebody who is very good learner, speaker, and you think that you can actually go ahead and accelerate the pace of your learning. So you will definitely get the better result. And if you are looking for something to learn in group, by all means, it's a great idea, guys, because our cohort is super small. We teach in about 3 or maximum 4 students. We do not take beyond that, because we believe in personal attention. We do have lots and lots of interactive exercises. Also, we do provide you assignments and homework, because it has to be the two-way process. If we will be just giving you lecture, that would be actually like a self-paced course. We do not have a pre-recorded classes, because it's us who will make you speak, talk in the class, and we will correct your pronunciation. Because if we will not correct your pronunciation and will just make you watch the video, that won't work, guys, because at the end you will have to open your mouth and speak and take the exam to score CLB 5 or CLB 7 in the exam. For the writing, we will give you lots of templates, structure of CLB 5 and CLB 7, so that you can just memorize them well, but also write it in a right organized way and score your target score. For the listening and reading, we do have a weekend workshop wherein we go ahead and teach you the reading and listening, what to listen, what to avoid, what exactly the sentences that are repeating, which question, which vocabulary is required to note. This is all taught in our weekend classes, because we believe in all 4 modules, not just grammar. Speaking of the last bit, we do teach grammar, but we believe that you would need to learn the implementation of grammar and not exactly just grammar. Because I do get lots of student guys who have just done grammar and no speaking at all, because this is something is not the right technique for the TEF or TCF guys, because at the end it's not a grammar exam, it's a speaking, writing, listening, reading exam. So you got to know how to express your sentences well. So this is a little bit all about us, and we do have a great team of trainers who themselves have cleared the TEF or the TCF and have obtained the PR, and most of them are DELF C1 or DELF B2 certified. In fact, all of them are DELF B2 or DELF C1 certified, because this is the selection criteria in our team. I also have team of natives, if in case you would like to just only learn from natives. And last but not the least, we are here to inspire you, to motivate you, and bring lots of value and love to this language for you. At the end, the goal is CLB 7, get the PR, and enjoy Canada. Stay tuned.